How to know heart function in 3D. The heart is a vital organ in the human body, responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Here's a brief overview of its functions. 1. The heart pumps blood through the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs. 2. The heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body and sends it to the lungs to pick up oxygen. 3. The heart helps remove carbon dioxide from the body by sending it to the lungs to be exhaled. The heart helps maintain healthy blood pressure by adjusting the force and rate of contractions. 5. The heart helps filter blood by pumping it through the kidneys, which remove waste and excess fluids. 6. The heart helps regulate hormones by pumping blood to endocrine glands, which produce and balance hormones. 7. The heart helps regulate body temperature by pumping blood to the skin, where heat is released. The heart is a remarkable organ, beating around 100,000 times per day. Take care of it by maintaining a healthy lifestyle.